Hey, what's going on? What's going on, mi gente? El Fenomenal aquí. Listen, I'm about to do my first modification to the Corvette. This is for the taillights. I ordered this blackout kit. Wanted to make the car look different. Obviously, that's part of owning the car. You get to change it however you like. So I did place an order. I'm waiting for them to come in. I did receive an alert that they came in, so let's go see. Alright, so it's finally here. This is gonna be a simple install. I get nervous with these kinds of install and they require 3M tape because you only get one shot at doing it right. So this is what the lights look like now. We are in Florida. Hot is not the word to define, I swear. Right now it's got to be like 98 degrees right now. First thing I'm going to do is to clean these things because they do hold a little bit of dirt and dust. Okay, so like I mentioned before, this is a fairly easy install. This is the before. And this is the result. I really like it, really like it. It's the small details that count. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.